When we experience a severe trauma, 90% of the time parts of us get shattered and stuck somewhere in time. We move on and forward, but the trauma and the ghost of the past continue to haunt us, even though we have pushed the experience out of our conscious mind for self-preservation. You may not even remember some of the trauma consciously. The energies of the trauma continue to run through your nervous system like a background program that loops over and over. This, of course, over years can make you literally sick and twisted. Many of the therapies today make you go back and relive that trauma in order to deal with it. Some of these therapies make you relive the ordeal over and over in hopes of flattening the bump in the road. Many times we feel that it was so horrific the first time, who in their right mind would want to go back and relive it again? Only a hardcore masochist would do that, right? After decades of studying, going to myriads of classes and trying new methods, I developed an extremely effective procedure using the cryogenetics egg that is actually fun. It is fun and exciting because you get a different soul-serving perspective on the experience, while you collect your shattered or damaged pieces, clean them up, and have them reinstalled. You don't have to relive all the hideous pain and suffering again, you just sit back and watch your higher self take over and do all the work. The ahas you get from this perspective are absolutely mind-altering. Only this time in a good, empowering way. I have used this method on many people who were MK Ultra programmed. These people whose pieces and psyche were deliberately shattered in order to reprogram them to be subservient to their handlers. This method using the cryogenetics egg is extremely effective in overriding the handler's imprints and access to your mind, giving you back your memories, your life and your power. Come and be a part of this class. You will feel safe because I will be there to assist in case one of you gets stuck and needs a lift.